In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Ledger Live. Now, in case you need any Ledger devices, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And by using my link, you will get the official Ledger for the best prices as well as some bonus Bitcoin, and you will also support my channel. So, to actually send crypto from Ledger Live, you have to go to the send button over here on the left hand side. And then here you want to first select the crypto you want to send. So I'm just going to go ahead and select some Bitcoin. And then you have to basically paste in the recipient address. So I'm just going to paste in my address on one of my wallets. And then, of course, you can also scan the QR code in case you have it, okay? Then press continue. After that, you want to type in the amount you'd like to send. I'm just going to send max. As you can see here, I have like 8 euros worth of Bitcoin on here. And then here you can go ahead and basically choose if you want it to go slow, medium, or fast, or go to the advanced where you can basically set your fees as well. So after that, when everything looks good, this is kind of the review, click on continue. And if the summary looks good as well, you can just click on continue again. And then you will have to connect and unlock your Ledger device. And after you do that, you'll have to confirm your transaction. And after you confirm it, you've successfully sent your crypto. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.